students, already discussed about that topic sets. Okay, previous class representation of the sets. Okay, first one is roster form and second one is set builder form discussed. Okay, let us continue the topic types of the sets. Next one, types of the sets. First one, empty set. What is the empty set? A set which does not contain any element is called an empty set. Empty set also known as null set or void set. Null set or void set. Empty set also known as null set or void set. Okay, empty set is denoted by pi over a curly bracket, braces over braces. Okay, pi over braces. Okay, for example, x is such that x is a natural number smaller than 1. It is empty. Natural numbers, what is the natural number? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting means 1, 2, 3 and so on like that. But here, x is such that x is a natural number smaller than 1. So, empty set. Okay, second one is a singleton set. What is the singleton set? A set consistent of a single element, only one element. Or another definition is a set containing only one element. Then it is called singleton set. Okay, for example, set of 0, set of -6 are singleton sets. Singleton set only nothing but only set containing only one element. Okay, next type is finite set. What is the finite set? A set which is possible to count of the number of elements of that set is called finite set. Okay, possible, we have to count it. Okay, here for example, set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here sets definite number of elements. How many elements are there? 4 elements. Okay, we have to finite set. Okay, definite number of elements in a set. Okay, that is the finite set. Okay, here 4 elements. Okay, for example, set of B is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. Okay, here what is the finite set? A set which is possible to count. Possible to count. The number of elements of that set is called finite set. Possible count. Definite number of elements. How many elements are there in the set? 5 elements. Okay, it is a finite set. Okay, next type is infinite set. Next one is infinite set. What is the infinite set? A set whose elements cannot be listed. Cannot be listed. Listed means not countable. Listed means non-countable. For suppose a set whose elements cannot be listed, that type of the set is called infinite set. Okay, understood? Okay, listen. What is the example of the infinite set? Okay, A is equal to set of x is such that x is an even numbers. X is an even numbers. What is the even numbers? For example, set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on like that. And so on like that. Okay, this type of sets are called infinite sets. Okay, second example here. B is equal to set of x is such that x is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Multiples. What is the multiples of 3? For suppose 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. So many multiples are in the 3. So it is a infinite set. So it is a infinite set. Okay, next one, equal sets. What is the equal sets? Two sets are said to be equal. Two sets are said to be equal. if they have exactly the same elements. Exactly the same elements. Okay, what is the equal sets? Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements. For example, -1 plus 1, set of -1 plus 1, and it is a roster form. X is it is a set builder form. X is such that x square is equal to 1. Okay, here write it the roster form -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1. So the those two sets are equal. Those two sets are equal. Okay, next one is cardinal number of a set. What is the cardinal number of a set? What is the cardinal number of a set? The number of elements in a set. The number of elements in a set is called cardinal number of the set. It is represented by n of a. It is represented by n of a. For example, a is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in a set a is equal to how many elements are there? Number of elements in a set, then it is called cardinal number of a set. It is denoted by n of a. How many elements? Here 5 elements. So n of a is equal to 5 elements. Next one, universal set. Next type, universal set. What is the universal set? A set containing all elements and which all other sets. In which all other sets. The universal set is all elements in a set. All elements in a set. Then it is called universal set. It is denoted by U or mu. It is denoted by U or mu. Universal set represented only rectangles. Universal set represented as only rectangle. Only rectangle. It is a universal set. All elements in a all elements in a set, then it is called universal set. It is denoted by U or mu. U or mu. Okay, universal set represented by rectangle. Represented by rectangle. Okay, what is the symbol? What is the symbol is called mu. Mu. Okay, next one is subset. What is the subset? If every element of a set A is also an element of set B, then set A is said to be subset of set B. A is subset of, okay, what is the subset? If every element of set A is also an element of set B, then set A is said to be subset of set B. Okay, it is represented by A is subset. This symbol this symbol read as subset. Subset. Okay, A is subset B. For example, if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Okay, listen. Every element of set A is also an element of set B. Okay, every element of set A is also element of set B. That's why A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Points. Is a very important note points. 3 points. Empty set is a subset of every set. Empty set. For suppose example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is a set. Empty set. That means is the pi over braces over curly bracket. Pi or braces. Okay, empty set is a subset of every set. Every set. Next, second point is every set is a subset of itself. every set is a subset of itself. In the second point, very very important. And the third point, consider A and B are two sets if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. A is subset of B and B is subset of A, implies by implies A is equal to B. Every element of set A is also an elements of set in B, and every element of set B is also elements of set in A. Then implies by implies A is equal to B. The three note points are very very important. What is the first note point? Empty set is a subset of every set. Second point, what is the second point? Every set is a subset of itself. Third point, consider set A and B two sets if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, implies by implies is A is equal to B. Okay. Next one is Venn diagrams. Okay, what is the Venn diagram? First of all, Venn diagram is the way of representing the relationship between sets. Relationship between only sets. Okay, already we know that Venn diagrams we have. These Venn diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curves, usually circles. Okay, Venn diagram only relation between sets. Okay, for example, consider mu is nothing but universal set. Okay, mu is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on 10 is the universal set. A is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 is a subset. Then Venn diagram. Okay, how can you represent as the Venn diagram? First of all, draw the rectangle. Okay, represented as is the mu. Okay, Venn diagrams represented by mu. It is the universal set. Already is given universal set mu is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on 10. Okay, set A is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. Okay, what is the universal set? All elements in a set. Okay, already we know that A is equal to 2 4 6 8 10. So 1 2 4 6 8 10 is a set of A. Remaining what is the elements in the universal set? 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, the set is element in the set is element of A is given 2 4 6 8 10. It is the represent of the Venn diagram. Represent as the Venn diagram. Okay, next concept very very important in the sets. The very very important concept is basic operations on sets. Basic operations on sets. The first one is union of sets. What is the union of sets? Okay, the union of set A and B is the sets which consist of all elements of A and B, which consist of all elements A and B. Okay, we write A in the set A elements and set B elements. We have to combine the elements. Those are elements to combined. Okay, the symbol. What is the symbol here? It is a union symbol. It is the symbol is used to denote the union. Okay, it is the used to symbol union symbol. Okay, symbolically we write A union B. A union B. Okay, and we read as A union B. We read as A union B. Okay, already we know set Builder form. What is the set Builder form of A union B? Okay, x is such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Okay, this union symbol, okay nana, this union symbol as or r, or r. Okay, set Builder form of A union B, set Builder form A union B, x is such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Okay, what is the Venn diagram represented the A union B? For suppose it is the universal set. Already we know that universal set. Okay, in the represented universal set is the rectangles. Venn diagram. Okay, how can you represent it by A union B? Okay, all elements in the A and B, in the all elements in the combined, already we know A union B. A set here, B set, all elements in A. Okay, A and B. For example, okay, for example, okay, example, if A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 and B is equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9, then find A union B. Already we know that what is A union B? All elements set A and B, all elements in A set A and B. Okay, what is the solution? Find out the solution. First of all, what is given, nana? Given A is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. What is B set, nana? 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, what is we have to find out? A union B. Okay, A union B. What is A set? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 union. What is set B, nana? 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, A union B, find out. Already we know that, okay, elements, okay, in a set we have to write it, elements don't repeat. Elements are don't repeat. The very important. Don't repeat. Okay, A union B, find out. Already one is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 4 repeated. Okay, 4, 5, 6. A set in 4, 5, 6 are there. B sets also 4, 5, 6 are there. Okay, only write it once. Elements in don't repeat is the very important. So remaining, what is the remaining? 7, 8, 9. That is all elements in set A and B. We can write it A union B. A union B. Then find out A union B. Okay, next another example. If A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U and B is equal to A comma I comma U, set of A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U and set of B is equal to A comma I comma U, show that A union B is equal to A. A union B is equal to A. First of all, what is given, nana? Given that A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U. What is B set, nana? What is set B? A comma I comma U. Okay, then find out first of all A union B. Already we know that A union B. A, what is the set? A is given A comma E comma I comma O comma U union. What is the set B, nana? A comma I comma U. Okay, A union B we have to find out. Okay, write it all elements set A and B in the combination. Okay, combine. Okay, first A. Okay, here repeated elements in set B, A comma I comma U. Okay, in elements don't repeat, so we can write in okay one time only. A comma remaining I comma, okay, E comma I comma U comma O comma U, sorry. What is the set, nana? A comma E comma I repeated, also here A repeated, write in once A E I O U, okay, that is equals to A E I O U. A E I O U, what is given and already given, A E I O U in the set A. So A union B is equal to, write it A. Therefore what is we have to show, that what is the question, show that A union B is equal to A union B is equal to A. Simple. Okay, understood? Okay, next one is basic operation of the sets. Next one is intersection of sets. Okay, what is the intersection of sets? The intersection of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are common to A and B. Only common elements A set and B, only common elements. Okay, we denote intersection by symbolically A intersection B. Okay, we read as A intersection B. A intersection B. This symbol is intersection. Okay, this symbol is AND. This symbol is AND, AND, AND. Okay, what is the set Builder form of A intersection B? Set of X is such that X belongs to A and intersection X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Okay, represented with Venn diagram in the A intersection B, represented with Venn diagram A intersection B. What is the Venn diagram? Only common elements set A and set B. In the universal set A set and B, only common elements. The intersection of sets A and B, okay, only those are only common elements. Okay, for example, okay, if example, if A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to set of 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, then find A intersection B. Already we know A intersection B, we have to find out what is given, given that set A is given 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, set B 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, we have to find out A intersection B, only common elements. Set A and B, only common elements. Okay, what is set A? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 intersection 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, set A and set B, observe. Okay, which elements are common here? Which elements are common? Observe here, 3 4, here also 3 4. That's why A intersection B is equals to 3 comma 4 is only common elements. Then find out A intersection B, 3 comma 4. Okay, thank you.